Finally, we can try our transmitter node and see how we can communicate with the Arduino board through ROS2 topics in order to turn the integrated LED of the board on or off. To do this, let's first connect the Arduino board to our PC using an USB cable. Then we can open the Arduino IDE in order to check to which port it is connected to. And so in my case, this is the USB 0. So here you can see that it is detected in the bottom right corner, but in any way you can check it in the tools port. Here you can check the port to which your Arduino is connected. So since we have already uploaded this code into the Arduino in the previous lesson, we no longer need the Arduino IDE in order to perform the functionalities of this lesson, and we can just open a new terminal in order to start the simple transmitter node and send commands to the Arduino. So let's go to the workspace, and here let's source the file setup.bash that is in the install folder, and let's start our node with ROS2 run, and from the BumperBot firmware package, let's start the simple serial transmitter node. Now in this case I'm starting the C++ implementation of this node, but if you want you can start the Python implementation just adding the .py. So before starting this node we need to configure it, so we need to assign a value to the port parameter that we have declared in this node. In order to do so, let's use the ROS_args, and then let's use the flag -p in order to set the value for the port, and I'm setting it to the port dev USB 0, that is the one to which my Arduino board is connected. So let's start this node, and upon the initialization of this node, so when we start it, it does nothing but initialize the serial communication with the Arduino on the port that we have indicated. So additionally, this node is also creating a ROS2 subscriber that is called serial transmitter, and actually you can see it with the command ROS2 topic list. So here we have it, the serial transmitter topic, and so now we can publish a new message on this topic in order to turn on or off the LED on the Arduino board. So let's use the command ROS2 topic pub. So let's publish a new message within the serial transmitter topic. Let's press tab twice. Here we can see that we need to publish string messages. Then let's use the double quotes and let's type the letter D. Then let's press tab again. And so we have the auto-completion of ROS2 working. And for example, let's publish the message number 1. So let's publish the value number 1 in order to turn the LED on. And as we can see, the LED on the Arduino board turns on. Also, we can see that if we send another message, and in this case we send the message 0, the LED instead turns off as we expected, and so on. So we can publish again the number 1, and the LED is on again.